Right, here we go, it's 5 o'clock, so it's been on for 2.5 hours now. I'll talk you through the process. We just sat at around 130 degrees, but I've just opened the lid, so it's normally it's been about 150. That's where we're at now with the bad boy. So I put some slices of orange in the bottom, and I drained off all the juices from the pan, put them into this pan, put some apple juice in it and a couple of tablespoons of sugar, and I've just reduced that down a bit. So I'm going to use this as a bit of a glaze now. See that? Gently tip that over. Oh, come to Papa, come to Papa. See that? So I've just landed in with the oranges. Just make it like rubbing sticky like. So we like it. We like it sticky like. Okay. So I'll give that about another 30 minutes. And then we'll start doing some temperature readings. Which is looking good. Looking good.